Motilal Oswal actually introducing a category altogether, which is passive microcap fund. And now there's an interesting report which is coming from ICICI Securities, where they talk about how the microcaps offer relatively cheap valuations versus large, mid and small caps as well. And they've done some number crunching as well. They talk about the earnings yield in microcaps, which is around 6%, and this compares with 4% in large caps. So this is an outperformance that we're seeing here. And if we compare it on the valuation front, microcaps are actually cheaper right now, 16 to 17 times versus 24 times is where the large caps are trading at. Usually it's the opposite, but there is, according to ICICI Securities, still scope for further up move from here on. They say that these are the stocks which have a market cap of around 500 to 1,000 crore rupees. The risk tolerance has room for expansion if the bull market run continues. This is something which happened in the past as well, and they expect this to continue because the risk tolerance amongst investors is really high. And if that happens, the bull run could continue in the microcap space. But of course, there are some risks as well here. They say the risk could be them being cyclical. There's low liquidity because the average daily turnover is less than 10 crore rupees. Now, they have spoken about how this fund or this sector has been split as well. They have around industrial sector, which has weights of around 50% in this particular segment. There is discretionary consumption, which is around 18%. And there is financials plus defensives, which has around 32% weightage in the microcap space. So there are a lot of levers from growth from here on as well. They talk about 80 stocks being here, but return on equity being more than 10% and earnings yield more than the 10-year government bond yield. So yes, there are things in place which are working for the microcap space. However, some risks with respect to volatility and also low liquidity need to be kept in mind when investing in microcaps.
Okay, so